Hi guys, where I am going to show you how to assemble and disassemble the system unit. So first thing we are going to do is to wear the anti-static wrist strap to prevent buildup of static electricity on their body. Then make sure that you remove your watch or rings for safety. Then first step we are going to do is to remove the cover. Then next we are going to remove the power connectors and the data connectors. The next step we're going to do is to remove the power supply. Then remove the optical drive. Then next we're going to remove the hard disk drive. The next step we're going to remove the RAM. To remove the RAM by toggling the plastic retention clips at either end of the memory slot so you can pull out the RAM. So next step we're going to remove the heatsink together with the CPU fan. So that's it. So next we're going to remove the processor. So finally we are going to remove the motherboard. To remove the motherboard, we are going to get all the screw. So that's it, we're done to disassemble the system unit. As you can see, that is all the parts of the system unit. So next step we're going to do is to assemble it again. So first step we're going to do is to put back the motherboard. Make sure that you return all the screws that you remove from the motherboard, and make sure that you place it in the proper position. So next you're going to put back the processor. Then before you put the heatsink, we are going to put first the exact amount of thermal paste. So that's it. After we put back the RAM, we're going to attach the power supply. Then the optical drive. Put all the screws that you remove from the parts that you removed. So after that, put back all the connectors, especially the power connectors and the data connectors. Make sure that you place it in the proper position and in their proper place. Then finally we're done to assemble and disassemble the system unit. So at last we're going to put back the cover of the system unit. Then put the screws back on the cover. So that's it, guys. We're done to disassemble and assemble the system unit. So thank you for watching, guys.